I don't know everything about it.
Okay. Looks like it's cracked and fractured in the front. It appears like the touch sensors also failed on it. And multiple impact points here, here, and here. Have you been to us before, sir?
It may have been a long time ago.
Okay. Since the touch sensor is disabled, we will remove the SIM card first and open up the back so we can identify it better. All right, so to identify it, we will go through the battery model designation and the HQ-70T cross references to a Samsung a11. Electrical scan is responsive at 1.90 amperes and the battery is about 67%. Looks like we do have the parts in stock and it'll be $189.99.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and get it done in about 1 hour and a half, okay?
Cool. Would it be okay if I call my boss real quick?
Sure.
Okay.